Hi, today I'm going to show you how to earn $4 in Ethereum with Coinbase. All we have to do is to take a small quiz. We just read some written instructions here and we press continue. It's about installing Coinbase wallet in our phone, and it's some instructions about how to install it, how to install the Coinbase wallet. So I read little about it, and once I finish it, I press continue. Here I will press text me to download the link. That will send me a link to my phone to download the Coinbase application wallet. I will check my phone. The link is sent as SMS message to my phone. I will click it and I will install the Coinbase wallet on my phone. It is just a simple installation of Coinbase wallet application on Android phone. I am proceeding with it. Once it's finished, a link, a confirmation email will be sent to my email. So I will check my email and it's correct. They send me a confirmation email. I will just confirm this email and wait here until the money reach my account. And this is it. I just earned $4 in Ethereum in less than 2 minutes. So I will check if the money really arrived to my account. I will press assets and I will refresh the page. As you see in the assets, there is 3.57 euro, $4, and this is how you make $4 in less than 2 minutes with Coinbase, just by installing the Coinbase wallet to your Android phone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.